Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make a video reply to a comment on TikTok. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Now, TikTok allows users to respond to comments with videos on both iOS and Android, and here's how I can make a video reply to a comment on TikTok using your own device. Step 1. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the video for which you want to reply to a comment. You can find the video on your For You or the following feed, or by visiting your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner and selecting the video in your profile. Step 3. Go ahead and scroll down to view the comment section for the video. Locate the comment to which you want to reply. Step 4. Tap on the comment you want to respond to. This action will open a set of options related to the specific comment. Step 5. Look for the option that icon the video on the left side or something similar. Tap on this option to start creating your video reply. Step 6. The TikTok camera will open, allowing you to record your video reply. Hold the red recording button to capture your video. And once you've done recording the video, tap on the check icon on the right. You can add effects, filters, and music just like when creating a regular TikTok video on the right panel. Step 7. After recording, you have the opportunity to review and edit your video reply. Make any necessary adjustments. Step 8. You can also add captions to your video if you want to include text. Step 9. Once you're satisfied with your video reply, tap on the check mark or next button to proceed. Step 10. You may have the option to add a comment along with your video reply. If you want to provide additional context, tap your comment and tap post. Step 11. Your video reply will be posted as a reply to the original comment. It will also be visible in the main comment section of the video. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.